My name's Harvey Gill, and I'm a design lead for Northwestern Baja, an undergraduate car team that designs, builds, and races an off-road vehicle every single year. And we need your help for a 2019 vehicle. This is how your funding will help us this year. This is George, our manufacturing lead. We use CNCs to machine components like the wheel hubs and front uprights. Each year, we use about 150 pounds of aluminum to build our car. Newly imposed tariffs have caused the price of raw materials to rise by 25%. Your donations will go towards offsetting those costs. This is Jonathan, a sophomore studying mechanical engineering, turning gearbox shafts. Tooling for these machines wears over time and needs to be replaced frequently. Even small donations help us keep these machines running and parts flowing. Here we have Kelly, a junior studying environmental engineering, designing the frame for a new car. Our team spends a collective 200 hours in the office each week, designing and collaborating on individual components to build a complete car. This is a culmination of our work each year. With your help, we can do this.